How to set up second Etsy shop. Hi, welcome to TechTricks tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a second Etsy shop. This is a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And now let's get right into it. So the first question that we're going to answer, is it okay to actually set up a second Etsy shop? So here's your answer. Yes, a separate Etsy account for each shop is okay, and you would be needing a separate email address on file with each account though. So to open a second Etsy shop, sign out and create a new account with a new shop. Again, enter an email address not associated with another Etsy shop, enter your name and create a password and select register. Now I'm going to show you how. Here I am actually signed into my Etsy account, so all I need to do first is to sign out onto my Etsy. However, another way that you can do it without signing out into your Etsy is that you're just going to simply open a new incognito page on your Etsy. And then you just need to go to etsy.com and simply sign up on to your Etsy account basically. So you just need to simply follow the registration process, and by then you would be able to sign up or set up your second Etsy shop. And basically that's about it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful.